basically what we're trying to get at is the equivalent on Heap would just be like landing page as a out of the box dimension. We're basically trying to get at that, or at least approximate it. I see on this entry and exit analysis, you could go on one of these data tables and then do add event or a metric and say order completed or whatever your conversion event is, and then filter by enable entry exit analysis, select entry, group by path, and that's basically going to show you conversions by landing page. So I'm saying options, enable this. I'm saying entry here, and then group by path. This is landing page, right?
What it essentially is the first property value of path that was seen for that particular session, which is your landing page.
And then is there a way to translate this into filterable dimension, like on funnel, for instance? I'm interested for a specific landing page. What do people do next? And how do they move through the conversion path?
Yes, but not in the exact same fashion. Are you using Amplitude SDKs to instrument events?
I'm pretty new to Amplitude and like the datascape right now.
Got it. So can you go to the funnel chart once? This
Yeah.
entry exit analysis that you're looking at is limited to data tables right now. But if you click on viewed page event, all right, so it looks like segment data to me.
Using segment, yeah.
Yeah. What Amplitude browser SDKs generally do is whenever we are firing a page view event, we will
Mhm.
add an out of the box property called page counter to it. It resets every session. So page counter 1 means that it's a landing page. When
Got
you're
it.
trying to create funnel charts, you will basically select a page view event. You
Yeah.
will filter it by page counter 1, and then you can group that by page path to see how different landing page paths let down the funnel conversion. Don't have that right now, so that is an additional property that needs to be instrumented over here.
Can you search your events to see if you have session started?
Even if the session start event is present, you might not be able to break it down by landing pages. One potential proxy for that is Pathfinder chart. Can you click on journeys?
Journeys, yeah.
It's again a workaround. It's not the best solution for the use case that you have. So instead of viewed page, can you select start session event? This essentially tells you what the users were doing right after they started the session. Scroll down, and this is based on the session ID that segment is sending us. Now, in the group by property section that you see on the left hand side, you can add an event, viewed a page, break this down by URL path, and you scroll down once again on the chart where you were seeing viewed a page. You now would be able to see how different paths or different landing pages are leading to conversions down the line. So I think the first viewed a page generally is just your homepage over here. And when you keep on clicking on more, it can be something else as well. But as you click on more, you will see how different paths are working out down the funnel conversion. This is one of the ways you can see some of the path conversions.
Given that we're instrumented through segment and we're ultimately collecting the data through segment and passing it to Amplitude, how do we do that?
Yeah, so that needs to be a tracking plan change in Segment where you are sending a track event, or you will have page view specs. Specs is what Segment call it. You will need to enhance them to introduce a property to indicate if a specific page view is a landing page or not. It can be like a page counter property, which is what we use.
And then once we set that up on segment, we can automatically filter by that within Amplitude. Okay,
Yes.
got it.
So in the filter by, you can just select or filter on that property, the newly created property that you instrument, and then you can group by your page path and see how this funnel converts down the line.
Okay, got it.